Good evening, mates. Nick away. Look at this guy driving through the water. That'll screw your truck up real quick. Anyhow, we've got a 15-mile-an-hour easterly wind. The surf is as rough as a cob. Water clarity's down to about a 3 to a 4. We've got an air temperature of 69. We had a high tide at 3:54 this afternoon, but the water is really high on the beach. A lot of debris has been pushed up to the dune line, so it is doing us a bit of good. Just having a look at the chart, you've got a low pressure that's just over us, followed by a high pressure. Whenever you get that, there's going to be wind, because nature hates low pressure, so it'll fill it in, and that's what's happening today. Anyhow, Sammy's got the drone up, so we've got some footage for you. You all have a great evening. A lot of birds migrating north, so bird watching should be pretty good in the next few days. Stay safe. Don't forget, this is Nick away from Breakaway with your best damn surf fishing report.